Hello everyone! Have you ever heard of ladies' kisses? There are some Italian cookies that are usually made with hazelnuts, traditionally, but they can also be made with almond flour, and they are filled with chocolate cream. And I cannot wait to share the recipe with you. So let's get started. In a bowl, I start by mixing some soft and salted butter with sugar. I also pour in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And now I'm going to use some lightly toasted hazelnuts, but almonds will work great as well, so if you prefer, go ahead and use almonds. I blend them until they become a fine flour. Make sure not to overblend them though, because they will eventually start to release their natural oils and become a little bit too pasty. Now I added the hazelnut flour and the all-purpose flour to the buttery mixture, and I mix it up until the dough comes together. Give it a rectangular shape, cover it in saran wrap, and let it rest for a minimum of 30 minutes in the fridge. Then I flatten out the dough a little bit and I cut it into small pieces. I roll them up between my hands until they become these little small balls. I used a scale to be very precise, and I made each ball of about 6 grams. But this is obviously optional, as long as you try to make them all of the same size so that they cook in the same amount of time. They're almost the size of a fingerprint. Perfect. Once the ladies' kisses are all ready, I bake them in a preheated oven at 320 Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I melt some dark chocolate in a double boiler, or you can use a microwave. Once the ladies' kisses are out of the oven, allow them to get to room temperature and then fill them up with a little bit of the melted chocolate. Make sure that the chocolate has cooled down, because otherwise it will be too runny and it will become a mess. You could also substitute the melted chocolate with a chocolate hazelnut spread like Nutella or another nut butter of your choice. And here they are, cute and delicious. I love their strong hazelnut flavor, and also they're very buttery. I think they have a perfect combination of flavors between the hazelnuts and the chocolate. Anyway, if you're gonna make this recipe, I would love to see your recreation of my recipe, so feel free to tag me over on Instagram. That I'll leave linked below, and also don't forget to subscribe for new weekly recipes. Bye guys, see you next time.